So next job, we're going to marinate this chicken. So we're going to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, and about a teaspoon of chili powder. Because I'm going to make this sauce in advance. So 1 tin of condensed tomato soup. Then I'll fill that tin with milk and we'll give that a shake so we get all that sauce out. And that can go straight in there. And to that we're going to add a little bit of garam masala, not too much, and a little garlic powder, about a teaspoon, and then a tablespoon of tikka curry powder, and we'll give that a bit of a mix. Now it's going to be quite thick when you do this, so if you want it a bit thinner, just add more milk. And what you've got there is a really creamy, spicy sauce. Now we'll cook this chicken. A couple of tablespoons of oil in your pan on a medium heat. And we'll cook this for about 5 minutes each side. Now let's get those onions in. We're going to add a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree and we'll cook that through. Now pour over that sauce that we made earlier and give that a good mix. And now we'll add about half a cup of water. If you want your sauce thicker, just add less. About a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix that up. And a couple of cracks of salt, not too much. And then finish it off with about 100 millilitres of double cream. Let's get this mixed in. The kitchen always smells amazing on a Friday night. Now we'll just cover that up for a few minutes, just to bring everything up to temperature. This cauliflower has now come to a boil, so we'll turn that off and drain it. And now this is also up to temperature. It looks amazing. So we'll get this cauliflower in. And then we'll add those peas as well. And that's your chicken and cauliflower curry all done.